Tactical gear can be your ultimate companion to escape from any combat situation. As you're out on the field for patrol, mission, working on the base, or spending a regular day, having the right gear will make the difference between success and failure. They are made from robust materials with enhanced functionalities, allowing them to withstand any worst scenario like a pro. You need to choose an appropriate tactical gear based on their features, specs, and performance, and if you're a budget freak, then you've come to the right spot, because in today's video, we're gonna talk about the 7 best tactical gear on Amazon under $100. So keep watching this video, and without any further ado, let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
In any tactical situation, having the proper brightness is essential. That is why you should have the Streamlight Protac 88040HL. It's not just any flashlight but a tactical one, which means more brightness and more performance. This LED flashlight can cast a high-powered 750 lumens of brightness, which can travel more than 250 meters to show you the right path in uncertain situations. This tactical light is shock impervious with a C4 LED bulb that will last the flashlight's lifetime and features a tail cap switch for one-handed tactical use. It features a 10-tap programming system that lets you use the flashlight to your choice of 3 different sets of operating modes, combining high, low, and strobe settings. These flashlights from Streamlight are built with a rugged anodized aluminum housing designed to prevent rolling when the light is set down. For a compact and powerful personal carry tactical flashlight, you cannot go wrong with the Streamlight Protac High Lumen flashlight. Ballistic rated eye protection has become a pillar of support that you should have in the fields or in any tactical situation. And the Outlaw Eyewear Men's Fugitive TAC is one of those sunglasses that can ensure maximum protection while providing obstructive visuals. Its aluminum frame construction and shatter-resistant 2mm 100% UV blocking polycarbonate lenses ensure these sunglasses are built rock solid to protect you against anything you encounter. They come with digital lens grinding with wrap compensation algorithms, which prevents disorientation and gives corrected vision from edge to edge. Besides, it also features single vision for distance correction or progressive lenses for distance and close vision correction. All in all, the Outlaw Eyewear Men's Fugitive TAC will be a great tactical gear under $100 to add to your arsenal. Coming at number 5, we've got the T.R.U 1x4 Zip Combat Chart, which has been designed to keep your upper half safe and allow you to carry your small belongings with ease. It's crafted with no melt, no drip Cordura base layer fabric that not only reduces the severity of burn injuries but helps protect against flash fires, wicks away moisture, and dries quickly. This comfortable shirt features reinforced external elbow pockets with openings for elbow pads, secured with hook and loop closures for all of your small belongings. It features a quarter zip front mandarin collar, seamless shoulders to minimize chafing. It also features a glint tape holder for IR tape, ample storage pockets on sleeves with external loops for attaching name, rank, flag patches, pen, pencil stalls, and more. The T.R.U 1x4 Zip Combat Shirt can be used for heavy-duty operations, running, sports, or gym wear, also suitable for men in active combat and duty, especially for those working in law enforcement. Introducing the TacTec plate carrier from 511, which has been designed to be the most lightweight and best fitting plate carrier to ensure high performance out on the field. The vest weighs 2.5 pounds on its own and made with ultra durable, water resistant 500G nylon so that you can experience an increased range of motion with a lightweight feel and optimal breathability in every environment. Without any restrictive bulkiness, this tactical plate carrier can hold medium and large ballistic plates on both the front and back sides. Its yoke shoulder pads are designed to reduce friction, while the adjustable tensional bands improve stability, and innovative airflow channels with aerospace mesh ensure sustained comfort. If needed, you can leave your vest in a blink because it features both quick one-handed releases and an extendable grab-drag handle for emergency exfiltration. Overall, an athlete does not need to sacrifice comfort or mobility to get all the benefits of a top-tier weighted vest, and the TacTec plate carrier by 511 ensures all added benefits it has. When you are in a tactical situation, you must ensure your toes' safety. Meet the Rothco AR6701, a pair of tactical shoes made with robust material to keep your legs secure from various impacts. A cattle hide leather material on the upper flesh side out with nylon protects outside, and its double side vents on each side keep your toes dry and breathable. Its 8 inches boot height matches Army's OCP Scorpion requirements, which works great while you're moving on bushes. It's got no mesh cambrel synthetic lining, 7 eyelet lace system, a padded collar, and removable insoles for additional support with all-day comfort. Besides, its 4-speed lace eyelets at the top ensure that you are always ready to go in seconds. At the bottom, the multi-directional lug sole provides exceptional traction and control. Simultaneously, the custom flex point allows for a natural bend at the ball of the foot, allowing for greater mobility and stability. From durability and support to mobility, the Rothco AR671 Coyote Brown provides all the comfort and covers everything you might want from a tactical shoe. Level up your performance in the field with the STRYKE operator from 511. These robust tactical pants can provide amazing comfort when you need it the most. It is crafted from polycotton FlexTech fabric treated with a mechanical stretch to provide extreme resilience and unbeatable performance in the field. Its Teflon treatment on the pants offers maximum moisture stain and spill resistance to keep it safe from water, dirt, and other impacts while you're encountering a tactical situation. A self-adjusting tunnel waistband, articulated knees, and a fully gusseted crotch ensures a snug fit while increasing agility so that you stay comfortable in every harsh condition. Its front hip pockets are perfectly sized for a knife or a cell phone, while the double deep and double reinforced cargo pockets carry all your gear securely near at your fingertips. This 0.425-pound gear has badge holders on both sides where you can attach your badges securely. Conquer new challenges and always be ready with high performance with the STRYKE Pants from 511. Keep organized all your essential belongings with the LPG Atlas 12H, a versatile backpack that features multiple storage compartments on a robust construction. It's constructed from ultra-tough 900D polyester with a PVC coating, making sure that it can bear rough and tough situations with ease no matter how hard it is. It has multiple storage compartments including inner organization, upper pouch, top fleece pouch, large compartments, and more to assure you can keep your valuable belongings securely securely in it. Its hydration compatibility with pores on both shoulders ensures you can stay hydrated even in the most unwanted scenario. Coming with strap tie downs on all loose straps, durable chest and waist straps, make sure this backpack is not wobble while you're moving, and it provides a secure fit. It also comes with a durable handle, mold compatible velcro, and lanyard keychain to let you have an ultimate user experience. This 3.5-pound backpack has an ergonomic and breathable padded back, allowing the air to flow to keep your back totally sweat-free. So that was all about the 7 best tactical gear on Amazon under $100 just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.